Hi friends, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much for clicking on my video. So in today's video I'm going to be braiding my own hair, and I'm starting off by blow drying my hair. And if you haven't watched the video on me reviewing this blow dryer, I'll leave it somewhere on the screen. So in case you haven't noticed, I dyed my hair burgundy a week ago, and I have a video on that also. It's actually the video before this one, and that also I'll be linking in my description box, so you can watch it if you want to. So I'm starting off by braiding the back of my head, and I usually don't really care about the parts at the back of my head, so I just did whatever I wanted to do with the back of my head. I mean, I'm not going to be looking at it, so why waste so much time trying to get the parts really clean and clear? But I'm going to braid the back of my head first. So guys, I'm done braiding my hair, and by the time I was done braiding my hair, it was already too late. So I'm going to continue the rest of it by tomorrow.
The next day.
Hi. So I'm now putting the beads on my hair, and I don't have, what do you call it, the crochet pin. So what I decided to do is I decided to DIY my own crochet pin by using this forgotten the name, book not stapler, book what, but what I did is I straightened it out, and then I bent the head of it a little bit, and yeah, that is the thing I did. Just straighten it out and then bent the tip of it a little bit, and then I'm just going to insert the beads on it. And then I'm going to take my hair and hook it on that part I bent, and then just like draw it down, and the beads are just going to go on my hair. I'm sorry, I can't explain it. Oh, I don't know if you understand what I'm explaining. what is that thing called again? This tape, bookmark, book something. I've forgotten the name of it. I'll insert it somewhere on the screen. So that's just what I did, and then I'm using a rubber band to hold my hair in place so that the beads will not slide off. And that's what I did on my whole head. Took me hours. So guys, I'm done with my hair. This is what it's looking like. It actually looks nice. This is actually my first time ever braiding or doing this kind of style. This is actually my first time ever doing this kind of style on my hair, and I think I'm going to be doing this a lot. So cute. The back does not look so bad, although it's a bit scanty. But that is it, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
I never wanna lock you down.